Hello and welcome from Caravan Salon, Düsseldorf. This is the Chausson stand. I've kicked everybody off and told them to give me a bit of space to do what I want to do. They're all cleared off quite happily, and this allows me to film as I wish. I'm going to show you this vehicle at the bottom. It's a 720 Etape Line, and this vehicle here is 719 centimeters long, and it will cost 69,000 euros. 5 sitting places, 6 sleeping places, and 292 centimeters in height. It's got inside, it's got 211 centimeters of standing height, but not everywhere, as we shall see. Now look, doesn't this look really elegant as you come in? I've got to say, I think Chausson's really upped its game. This is very attractive as you walk in. Alright, bunks at the back. I suppose this is a kiddies area. There's a table, I think, that goes down here somewhere as well. We've got here a big wardrobe. And incidentally, the bunks will come out as well if you don't want the bunks in there. They'll, well, at least the bottom one will, the top one won't, but this one will come out if you want the space for doing something else with. Over here we have, close this here, there's your toilet, and over here there is your washroom. Alright, now it says 6 beds, so there's 2 up there in the roof. There's actually 2 down there as well, so that's in a way it's 2 bunks, isn't it? Something in here as well as having 2 single bunks at the back. Look at all that space as well. Looks extremely elegant, in my opinion. We've got over here, we've got 2 burners. Sorry, hit the camera. 2 burners and a sink. We've got a storage under the kitchen block. This is a very attractive unit. Comes up like that. You've got spaces for bottles. Very nicely done. Over here we'll find USBs, including a USB-C. This is where you put the bed down. We've also got the rear bed here. The fuses, without any doubt in my mind, have been taken out. And just to make the point, oh sorry, without any doubt in my mind, and I was wrong. Right, let's have a look at it going down. Right, there's the bed. How far down to go? Got to be careful. Some glasses on the table, but I don't think it's gonna. Ooh, we'll have to stop before we get to the glasses. How far off are we? There you go. There is the bed up front, and gives you an idea looking around. Now, I was just wondering if the gentleman who was actually tidying up to set this up for me, or indeed it was an accident. Somebody in Chausson forgot to actually put it up. Anyway, access is via a ladder. I'm going to presume that the ladder is under here. It isn't, but the net is here, and the net will attach to these eyelets, which you can see up there, and that'll stop you falling out when you're totally sloshed. Let's put this up again. Yeah, I got that wrong, didn't I? You see, I'm honest, I'm not going to edit it out. That's as far up as it will go. Okay, we've got a bed at the back. Alright, has this one here had the fuses taken out or not? I don't think I'd want much low. That's as low as it'll go. Okay, so there we can see this as well. Note you've got the window there. So, and down here, you normally get a window down there as well, but in this case they haven't put one in. So whoever's in there can have a bit of light if they want light at night. And we've got the table as well. Just check this actually before I do anything. Alright, so good. What's that? Why would you put the table down? Well, there's possibly a reason. I mean, look, some people have low coffee tables and things like that. You might also want to use it as a bed. Now it's hit the thing there, so we're going to put it back up again a little bit. And that's why we need to be careful about not hitting anything. But clearly it's either the chair, the cushions need to go back. They do need to go back. I can see that from here. Although it would, well, it's meant to be part of the bed anyway. Okay, let's put this back up again to where it should be. And that's as far as it'll go. So, seen a little bit of this in action. I'll show you the fridge in action as well. There's a fridge in action. Got storage up here, and this is for your television. Here we have got a mosquito net in the door. It's quite common these days. You can see yourself straighten your tie up as you're leaving the vehicle. And this comes with an Arctic packet, which will probably be a nice screen to put over the front. And this bed, this one here, will actually come out, but I'm not certain how. Looking at here, we've got the straps, which will mean to move it up and down. Don't know. Anyway, I'll work that one out some other time. I'm a bit tired. So there you have the garage as well. Have a walk around it. See storage area from this side. $720 Etape Line. But I'll put some more information in the description. I've got a feeling I might have made a mistake on the bed. Sometimes I don't remember absolutely everything. There's so many vehicles to get through. I mean, I do go to the press conferences, but they give like 12 press conferences in a day, and trying to remember things is not always all that easy. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you found it interesting. Upload every day at 21:15. If you want to see more motorhomes, this is the place to be for the moment. From me in Düsseldorf. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.